Hey, for today's session, actually, I have like no news to share with you. The session is mostly about reviewing the upcoming week and to discuss your questions, if any, regarding the task, regarding Angular, and everything that is related to the code. Okay, as for the next week, yeah, we have two more topics, and actually, uh, that's it regarding Angular. As for the unit test, yeah, you might be noticed that there is no link um, to the video recording because that wasn't conducted before. Uh, at the same moment, I will try to figure out what we do here. Either it will be some external materials for self-learning, or the dedicated webinar regarding unit tests will be conducted. So I'll keep you posted accordingly, but we'll like promise that it will occur these days, let's say today or tomorrow. In case if it will be webinar, that's another like another call will be scheduled and everyone will be kept posted. But for now, let's focus on task completion and learning one more topic, which already has the recording from the previous sessions. Okay, as for the task, yeah, I believe that you're doing great with it. I haven't seen like any critical questions regarding backends. I hope that everyone resolved it. Just in case, the backend which is presented in the current task should be started with the help of Docker. You don't need to manually run up the database or perform some configurations. All you need is just to use Docker. One more thing is that perhaps on Windows machines, if you want to use Docker, the virtualization should be enabled in BIOS settings. That's one of the catches when you try to deal with Docker. But still, it's a good practice to keep acquainted with one of the tools that is widely used in production. So the containers and everything that is related to it. So yeah. Okay. So since I don't have some major news, major updates for the current week, we're about to end like the Angular stage, and I know that's the task is complicated. Yeah, I just want to want you to let me know whether you have some problems with task with previous Angular topics. So please ask any questions you wish, and let's discuss it now. So please go ahead if you have something to ask. Maybe you have problems with the assignment, with understanding of Angular topics. So please do not hesitate and ask me anything. Okay, when you're thinking on what to ask me, a question to you. Do you feel that you will be able to accomplish the assignment till the planned deadline? I mean, till the 19th of September.
No.
Okay, so what issues do you experience with the task, or you just don't have enough time to complete it?
No, I have time. I have time to work on this task, but I have no enough time to end it successfully in full stack.
Okay, so does it mean that you don't have problems with backend, with task understanding, with task requirements? So you just have no enough time, right?
Yeah, Pavel, you're right. I have no questions.
Okay, so you managed to run up the backend with the help of Docker, right?
Yes.
Okay, that sounds great. No problems with backend, just you don't have enough time. Okay, so in this case, let's do the following. Let's have a sync up next week with the same question about project management system assignment. If you'll see that you'll have no way to complete till the deadline, and we'll like discuss on prolonging the deadline till sometime. Okay, but still, is everything is clear in terms of Angular? So I for our Q&A sessions, I haven't like heard a lot of much questions about Angular. So is everything clear? Maybe something is not. Let's discuss it now. So perhaps I could give a hint with some of the topics. Okay, I see that's everything goes well, and do you understand what's covers which topic covers the lecture recording, and that's pretty great. But anyway, if you feel that something is missing in terms of materials, you need a bit more understanding on some topics. Let's say RxJS and observables. It could be quite a tough topic to understand because it's completely new area for you. That introduces what the reactive programming is. So how to deal with the data streaming, how to transform it, because RxJS actually contains lots of operators. And we try to cover as much as we can because we know that we have limited amount of time to expand one of that topic. But still, to my mind, this one of the most complex topics here, and also about this one, the state management and how to apply the state management with the help of an NGRX in the Angular. That's also could be tough topic. But if you do understand the how to deal with data streaming, the state management, and you are able to do this in your home assignments, that's great. Okay. Is this meeting about training which starts on 20th September? No, this is the Q&A session of the course which was started in March. So regarding the your course run, you'll be notified accordingly. And yeah, obviously that the meeting that is like is about next run will be at exactly at the same date that is stated as the start date. Okay, if there is no any questions, so wait a bit more. So please think on it. Okay, I see. My mic is more working. I wanted to ask about the interviews with EPAM. When will we know about the feedback from interviewer? So when the interview will occur, unfortunately, I have no idea, but I believe that will be within the timelines. Yeah, the exit interview will be with mentors, but about EPAM, well, that's probably a good question to ask to Anna because I have no information about it. But about the interviewer feedback, it actually depends on each interviewer, and they have no strict timelines when they're supposed to provide the feedback. But usually it stays like as soon as possible. So it could be the next day, the next 2 days, within the week. But everyone knows that it's important to provide a feedback as soon as possible. So they will try to do it sooner. Not sure I answered your question fully, but As far as I know, it's. So, Marina, do you want to say something? Okay. Any other questions? Okay, seems like we're done. But still, after the webinar, please use Discord to ask anything that bothers you in terms of Angular understanding or the home assignment. So please keep us posted. And I suppose we're done for today. Thanks everyone, and have a great week and good luck with your further journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Pavel. Bye.